Hi guys, how's everybody doing? So we're gonna have a quick look at the market right now. We can scalp the gold silk guys now if you want to do quick scalping with a stop loss, 5-10 pips or 5-10 points or so, and target let's say around 1680 should be achievable. Okay, so if you get to this cell, that's where your first target should be. If this is broken, then we're gonna be looking at 1650 and 1630. Your stop loss can be right at the top here if you want to put a stop loss for this one. Also, the one we talked about is the dollar CAD. We said to sell the dollar CAD from different multiple prices here. That's going good. It's slow, but it's going okay. Okay, guys. What other trades are going on now? And excuse me for the sound because I'm in a public place. Here you can see the CAD is strong, so probably if you buy Canadian, Japanese yen now is going to be a good choice, guys. Okay. See, even I didn't even see this number 6.6, but I expected the CAD yen to be very, very strong, and we mentioned this yesterday. So Canadian, Japanese yen, we have been saying this is a good buy, guys, and that's really nice buy. Probably oil also is going up. Okay, so this is something going to be in. I think this is gonna go about 400 pips still up, guys. Long term, okay. If you're into long term, we are here. We used to be right there. Look at this. This is the first green candle in the daily, so I'll be expecting some more days up here. So, guys, all this area was a strong support. So this price, even at that now, it did go on like 200 pips up. Still good price to buy for long term. We are away from the top by 800 pips. So if you throw a buy here for like a week or two, if the oil gets back to 40, then this is gonna go back to 80. So we're talking about 430, 350 pips. Okay, guys. So don't take 20-30 pips and get out. Just that's what the banks or the market makers want you to do. So just be patient, throw it for investment, be investor. Okay, guys, please hit the like button so the YouTube will be spreading the video. Excuse me. Good morning, guys. Euro dollar should be going up, but slow, guys. Okay, so euro dollar, our view is up because we expect the dollar index to come down, and this should be slow. Also, the good buy is DOW, guys. We talked about this. Okay, you can see this is the DOW. This is the chart right here. So the latest top was at 24,900, and the latest bottom, this one was 23,500. So this is not a bad price to buy. Okay, guys, probably you can buy this one. Just use a small loss just in case it does one of those things, going down a little bit, so you will not be freaking out. But our longer term for the DOW is up, guys, up. Okay, we talked about the DOW for the last 3-4 days, and we have been saying only take the buy signal. Every buy, take it. Every buy, take it. So this buy, take it. This buy, take it. If you're here, take a buy. It's probably gonna continue going up and break this, and possibly very soon we can see the 26,400. Okay, guys, remember this number, 26,400. This number should take profit because 26,600 is a very strong support, and you don't want to be playing around this price. Okay, so this This is up high, okay? This is above this one, but this is a longer term target, okay? Hopefully this is clear. A dollar CAD, guys, is a longer term investment, okay? If you look at the 4 hour time frame, even the daily time frame, we should come down here. So you can see this is a really nice red candle in the daily. We expect another one here, then multiple ones down here, maybe some up and down. But the long term target in the dollar CAD is 1.34. We're still 600 pips overvalued in the dollar CAD. This is gonna come down. Look, it doesn't matter how long it's gonna take, this is gonna come down. Okay. So now going back to the VSA, you can see first you have to look here. So Canadian, New Zealand dollar very strong. So pound is weak. So pound CAD is a good sell. We go back to the pound CAD. Okay, guys, we already talked about. I don't want to open too many charts so it doesn't slow down. So we talked already about the Canadian, Japanese yen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the pound CAD here. Okay, guys. So pound CAD has been a good sell, and I talked about this also, and I posted this in TradingView, and I said this is gonna go 1,000 pips down. If you guys want to check it out, I can put the post down, the link below. Okay, so this was a sell from the top here, but probably still can take the sell here. So if you look long term, that's really nice. Okay, you can see this is consistent here in filling orders. So the banks are just filling orders from, not very smart people who are going to buy here every time they keep pushing it, and probably be looking at something down here, 1.65 from 1.72. So long term, if the pound is gonna continue being weak, we'll be looking at 700 pips long term. You can see this is a very strong area right here. Has been 1, 2, 3, almost 4 times rejected. So now we are looking to, and this has been almost broken below this one. You can see this level here, this one to this one right there. This is broken below. So we expect further down in the pound CAD. Okay, guys. Gold also, we said this is a quick scalping is possible. Nice, okay. Wow, this is nice. Don't over leverage, okay? It doesn't matter. We can be 50-50. Whatever we say can be 50-50. Yeah, no, we try to be more than 50-50, but never over leverage, never try to take big lot, because you want to survive the market, and the market is really risky and it can take you out very fast. So really, you want to play smart, small and smart, continuously playing small and smart. So you can, you take some hit here and there, you can withstand it and can continue. So this is a direction we're looking in the gold. So gold target 1680 will be a fair price to get out. In my opinion, I still can see 1630, guys, longer term, but I'm saying this is a short term target, okay? So 1630, then we can see for short term target 1680. So I think this is a nice buy. This will be a waste of money to get in the euro dollar, but I think long term is gonna go up. Dollar CAD probably is a better choice. And pound CAD also is not bad. You can see here we have opened the pound CAD already in the ABC system, and the signal was right here, guys. The signal should have been taken even here. So if you have followed the system, and you should have been already in 330 pips, which is amazing. Okay, this is a buy, guys. No selling in the DOW. Don't sell the DOW. EURUCAD, it's probably better to avoid, because I start expecting the euro to start going up soon. Okay, so that's enough. Just avoid the EURUCAD for now. And you don't want to be in USD CAD and pound CAD and EURUCAD. This will not be very smart. Okay, let's get back here. So Japanese yen. So New Zealand Japanese yen is good, and we talked about this before. If you guys remember, I have said Canadian, Australian, New Zealand, Japanese yen, good investment. So if we hit New Zealand JPY, we already mentioned this, that was really good. You can see how many pips this from here. 130 pips, and it's still good. Yeah, it's still good, still buy. This is gonna continue going up. Okay guys, yeah, the best price to buy was right here, not here, but that's still up. What's the target? About 66.60. So 130 bips up from here. That should be fair price to take target at. Okay. جزاكم الله خير أخ عبد الله. وعليكم السلام أخ عمر. وعليكم السلام أخ نايم. Okay guys, if you have any question, I'm following the comments here. If you have any question, please you can just throw it there and we'll discuss it together. Okay, so this is the direction guys. New Zealand yen, I'm gonna put it here so okay guys, the DOW is already in the money, so that's cool. We said this EURUSD just avoid it. For now you don't want to be too much. Also SPX guys, because too many people like this. Oh, dollars up is really good. Hey guys, we talked about the dollar ZAR has been a good sell. That's really nice. Okay guys, we have been mentioning the Euro ZAR. So this is a good sell guys, good sell. Okay. Should be looking at the 18 level as a target, quick target. Then they did do a correction, then sell it again.
قلت لك صحينا احنا قلنا معاك عشان عايز اسحب فلوس وبتاع.
You guys have the Okay guys, so we're back here with the sound. I hope it's all good now. So guys, any questions right now? So this is the direction of the market we're looking at. We have mentioned that New Zealand Canadian are strong, okay? Japanese yen is really weak, so if you buy anything against Japanese yen, you're gonna be up, and this is expected because the stock market is going up, and we expect when the Japanese yen is really weak, we expect the gold to be going down. It's as expected. Market is going with expectation, guys, so that's really nice. So so this is what you want to trade. You want to buy anything against Japanese yen, but probably one of the best things to buy is in New Zealand. Okay, I think also Euro Japanese yen could be a good buy, guys. Euro yen, possibly a good buy. Because euro did hit a lower band of a big channel, and it needs some correction or reversal at this price. So at the price range and technical analysis, euro may be reversing or having a big correction. At the same time, Japanese yen is really weak. So you're getting at least 1 week for sure, which is the Japanese yen. So now you are into a medium. So Euro Japanese yen, you are there in a medium strong to the upside or a very strong. If the Japanese yen continue to be weak, and this is expected because if you look at the Japanese yen index now, it's going to be really weak. Okay, guys, Japanese yen is just you're gonna see our chart is going up because it's the reverse. If you guys are following our weekly forecast. Yeah, you can buy Euro yen. Just take a small lot size and let it run. Possibly this is a good price to buy. Yeah, Euro yen can be bought now. Dollar ZAR, you should be looking at the 18 level for. So dollar ZAR sell, we should be looking at the 18 level. Okay guys, so now we are clear, the direction is clear, which direction we're trading. Everything bought against Japanese yen. Best choices will be the New Zealand CAD and also probably dollar yen is going to be okay. Euro yen. Okay, pound is a little bit weak, but if you want to sell it, probably you only want to sell it against New Zealand or Canadian. USD CAD long-term investment is a good investment. So invest for long term. Throw one lot size, leave it for a month. It's gonna be in 700 pips, 600 pips. So just go for long-term investment. This is how you make money for long term. Don't be scared. Let it go and go up and down. This euro dollar is just a waste of time, guys. Even close it. Gold is coming down. So if you want to move your stop loss to the entry with gold now, that's fine. Then it's either break even or in profit. If you want to do this, if you want to leave it like this, that's whatever trading methodology you're following. New Zealand Japanese yen is going up here. Crude oil long term should be going up, and dollars are also. So the market does not go in straight line, right? So it has to come in waves, up and down, up and down. Dollar yen, you can see is being strong also here. Franc yen, I would not recommend franc yen. New Zealand is better. New Zealand, Canadian, Japanese yen, one of them. So don't go buy everything against Japanese yen at the same time. Just don't put too much risk in the same currency. That's all I'm saying. Yes, it's a good time to sell gold. Just be small in lot size because gold is very risky and crazy. So, but I think it's a good time to sell gold. Small lot size. Don't risk too much. Stop loss should be around 17.20. So, and if it hits stop loss, just don't enter again. You don't want to be losing too much in the same currency. So I think this is a good. And once the price closed below 1700, guys, you're gonna see a massive drop in the gold. Okay, so if the price will come here and remain below this here, then you're gonna see a big drop, one big candle like this, because once the price will change below this, you're gonna find some of the big funds are closing their long position. So this is gonna start giving a market move to the downside. But don't risk too much in the gold because it's very risky, and anytime it can reverse and go up. If there is a war, some country hit the other country, or any other thing happen in the world, you know, this is not expected at any time, so gold will go up. So you don't really want to be in this situation. But at the meantime, we're only trading the down wave that we can see. Very clear, we identify it. The price is overbought. It did break the trend line, given nice big strong candle, broke the trend line. The second one going next to it, below it, is the second one. So even if it does sideways a little bit, go up a little bit, then it should come down. So something like this and the previous ones. So this should be the direction for the gold. Dollars are also like sell small lot size, because you may get some correction up and down here, but this should be the direction down. Okay, and you should be around there is something about the round number, guys. Yeah, don't put your take profit at exact round number. So let's say here, don't put it at 18 exactly, put it 18.05, you know, a little bit before. You can see this price just come to this 18 exactly and reverse sometime, doesn't touch it, because everybody's putting his numbers at the round number. So you really want to be out of the market before everybody else. Okay, when taking profit, you want to be the first to take profit and get out, and let them fight over this last 5-10 points. So that's what you want to do. You want to get out right before. So looking at the bound CAD here, it looks like it's gonna continue going further down. You guys, very clear, the sell was from, you know, this area here, right? It did come to the same price before, you know. So some orders have been fulfilled at that price, at exact same price. Some banks put orders, they want the price to go up here, and they fulfill their order, then the price will come down. They will do this many times with you, so you can give up, or you lose too much, or so many people get to the buy. Then at one time it's gonna drop down like crazy, just like crazy will drop down. Then you wish you kept your position for a long time and all that stuff. You guys, we know, we all do this same stuff over and over and over. Okay, so in order to be really in the money, you need to think long term. Okay, what we do here, we're not coming to do scalping for some little bit things. We're given big ideas. I know we are trading only 5, 15, 20 minutes, sometimes half an hour together, okay, or we're talking, chatting together for half an hour, but our view is to give you the view for long term. Okay, gold is going down. I hope it will continue going down here. As long as the stock is going up, probably gold is gonna go down, and the dollar index, just the dollar index doesn't move. We don't want the dollar to move now. Just want to take this drop of gold without the dollar moving at all. One of the good things that many people would do, they will trade only one pair. They will focus only on one thing or two, not related, and they will trade them like this. This is okay, but the problem is you may get some time of consolidation. You won't really be able to trade, and it will be kind of frustrating to some people. They don't have the patience to wait for the good opportunities. They just want to jump into the market and just get something. So maybe psychology is not going to be good for everyone. See here, you can see this is bouncing a little bit, but this is correction in our view. It can make correction up to here, so this is fine as a correction. Also, this was a support area a little bit here. Okay, this was a support area, so possibly is making a small correction from this support area here, and then later will come down. So maybe we'll go something like this a little bit, then come down. You guys with us, we have been saying to sell the dollars for the last probably a couple of weeks or so. Yes, thinking bigger, going for the big wave is the best thing. Going for the best waves is the best thing to do. Yeah, Euro Yen maybe will be going up. Just to take a small lot size and go for it. Let's open the chart here. I probably want to open the chart of the Euro index. Yeah, you probably can take a Euro Yen. There's a chance it will continue going up. Also looking at the MACD here, we can get a nice correction up here. This is a big potential, guys. So Euro Yen I would take. Then once you're in 50-60 pips of profit, just move your stop and use like 100 pips stop loss for this one. Okay, so this is a longer term forecast for the euro. I believe we may be bouncing here for nice big correction. Possibly we're gonna get something like this before we continue going down. I don't expect the euro to go back up all the way again. Okay, but possibly next week we're gonna see a good up wave to the euro, and one of the best things probably gonna buy here the euro again is will be Japanese yen. So euro Japanese yen at that price probably is not a bad choice. Okay guys, is there any question here regarding those charts we talked about? So guys, we get a feel of the market. Remember this, we have been saying the USD CAD for longer term is going to crash between 500 to 700 pips from 1.41. We said to sell from 1.4 to 70, so it's like 200 pips or over now. It's going to go down further, about 300-400 pips still after this. Okay guys, I hope this was a good good conclusion of the market. Quick brief one, so to give you a feeling about what's going on in the market and what to trade against what and what we expect. So now we expect the Dow to continue going up, some correction here and there, but the longer term is up, the strong trend is up. Canadian also up longer term. Euro possibly will start to reversing from today, maybe go range of market next week, then the week after will go up, but this is not a good place to start selling the euro at all. Probably is a good place to either buy it or avoid it. Japanese yen, everything is a buy against Japanese yen for the next time, probably for the next 2 weeks, because as long as the stock market is going up, then Japanese yen is going to be really weak and everything is going up against it. Even the pound, which is the weakest against everything else, is still stronger than Japanese yen. So pound yen is probably going up, or the pound Canadian is going down. And this is very important for you guys to understand. You can be trading the euro CAD as a sell and euro Japanese yen as a buy, and this will go in your direction and this will go in your direction, and you make money in both. Okay, so you'll be selling the euro and buying the euro at the same time. On both trades you make money, because you do understand the market. You have strong tools to give you the strength and the direction of the market. Without understanding this, like which index is stronger against which, how can you trade? It's impossible to make a good trade. How can you determine what to buy at what time and against what? Otherwise it's going to be a mess. This is a map, this is the GPS for the Forex market. If you don't have this one, how can you trade? Like it will be very, very difficult. That's why in our weekly forecast we always do the index analysis, because without the index you're lost. You have to know each index separately to be able to trade very, very well longer term. I'm saying to be able to understand the market. Maybe someone will just continue doing technical analysis for specific pair, okay? But if you ask him why this dropped at that time so much, he will not be able to understand. When we do analysis for the index, will be able to tell you why the dollar CAD is going down. Is it because the Canadian is strong or because the dollar is weak? Then we start looking why the Canadian is strong, because the oil is going up. So we can answer more questions when we have something like this. Okay, so this is very useful and very good to get you on the right side of the trade in the market. Yes, it's a roadmap. Yeah, possibly Dow will continue to flying up. This is possible. We don't have a specific time now to start live video. We get in and out at at no specific time, just whenever is possible and available. But hopefully within like a month or so, or a couple months, we're gonna have a fixed time every day, and we're gonna have it like more organized, guys. Okay, so hopefully this is gonna be in the month or two from now. So please be patient with that for this one. Okay, guys, it was my pleasure talking to you guys now, and we are seeing the market together, having a talk together about this, answering your questions. Hopefully, this was in help for you guys and was in support. Thank you very much. Please stay safe, and the best luck for all of you. Have a wonderful day. Okay, guys, thank you. Goodbye.